is me papa botwa me tiri sɛ meka kyerɛ ne dɛ sika no ayewa. Me papa botwa me tiri sɛ meka kyerɛ ne dɛ sika no ayewa. So imagine a child who was sent by the father to buy something, and on the way going, the money got missing. So he was telling the friend that if I tell my father that the money is missing, he will cut off my head. But what parent will cut off their children's head when the money gets missing? Of course, there are people who do a lot of strange things, but this is not normal, okay? It is an exaggerated statement. So we say this is a hyperbole. The next hyperbole expression is nebusiafo dɔɔso dɛ mpoano anwea. Nebusiafo dɔɔso dɛ mpoano anwea. This is also a hyperbole because we are trying to compare the